women,
person,
person,
people,
people,
child, children, goose, geese, mouse, mice, scissors, sheep, ox, oxen, una vez más, man, repitan, man, man, foot, feet, woman, women, person, people, child, children, goose,